Thank you for choosing Monzacamper. This short video will show you how to use this camper during your holidays. The video is not exhaustive, but it will provide you with sufficient knowledge before your departure. Our campers are equipped as follows: air conditioning in the driving compartment, a car radio, 2 batteries, one for the camper engine and one for the utilities on board, a heating system to heat the camper, and a boiler for hot water. There is also a cooking hob, a refrigerator, a bathroom with a chemical toilet and a separate shower. 1 or 2 10-kilogram gas cylinders depending on the type of camper van, a 220-volt external electricity supply with an extension cable, a hose pipe for taking on fresh water, thermal blackout screen, and camper leveling system. There is also a sign to indicate overhanging loads, an emergency warning triangle. Included in the price there is also a bike rack for 3 to 4 bikes, an awning, a TV with DVD player and satellite system, air conditioning, and a rear view camera. Electricity. On the outside of the camper there is a 220-volt socket. Use the extension cable to connect the camper to the campsite supply. Once connected, the camper will switch to the external power supply to charge the battery. The control unit above the door consists of overall on-off switch, a switch for activating the water pump. The light indicates that it is on. Lights to indicate water and battery charge levels. The gas. On the outside of the camper, you will find the compartment containing 1 or 2 cylinders of gas. When there are 2 cylinders, one is already connected to the camper. The other is a spare in case the first one is empty. To have gas in the camper, you have to open the valve on the gas cylinder tap, and after that, press the green button for 5 seconds. Now the gas is ready to be used for the refrigerator, the boiler, and the cooking stove. The refrigerator can use 3 forms of energy: gas, 220-volt campsite electricity, or the 12-volt battery. For all positions, a light indicates whether the fridge is working or not. You can set the temperature of the fridge with a dial on the right. Some of our campers are equipped with the Webasto, which is not visible inside the camper and uses diesel directly from the tank. To switch the heater on, turn the black selection knob clockwise. A green light indicates that the system is activated. Use the black knob to select the desired temperature. The system automatically activates the ventilation to distribute hot air throughout the camper. To turn on the boiler, take off the cap and press the grey button up or down depending on the temperature desired for the water, or press the black button where the flame sign is. After 30 minutes, hot water will be available. By switching on the boiler, you only activate the hot water. The cooking hob works in the same manner as the one you have at home. Turn on the gas and light it. The stove is equipped with a thermocouple for safety. The water. On the side of the camper you will find the plug for filling up the water tank. You can fill the tank with the hose provided until water comes out of the tank. The water used in the kitchen and the bathroom is all collected in the grey water tank. To empty this tank, position the camper above the grey water drain. Pull the black handle to open the tank. The bathroom is equipped with a chemical toilet. On the toilet there are several buttons and handles. The blue button flushes the toilet. Pulling the grey handle to the right opens the toilet and lets the water out into the black water compartment. The light next to the blue button comes on when the black water compartment is full. The sink and the shower complete the bathroom. Outside the camper, you will find the waste compartment of the toilet. Raise the lever and pull out the black water tank. Rotate the tube and take off the cap. Now empty the black water tank, pushing the button down. Having emptied the black water tank, clean with water. Leave about 1 litre of clean water in the tank and add a capful of chem. To open the windows, while pressing the button, turn the handles to open the window. In order to close the window with the levers. The windows are equipped with curtains and mosquito nets. The seats of the camper can be transformed into single or double beds. It is very easy to do. Just unlock the lever under the table, place the table between the 2 chests, lock the lever to keep the table down, and position the seat cushions. In this way, you will get a single bed. By extracting the side extension and inserting the special pillows provided, you will get a double bed. In semi-integral campers, you can turn the front seats around by pulling the levers next to them. The accessories. All our campers are equipped with a bike rack for 3 to 4 bikes. Loading the bikes is easy. During your trip, please make regular checks that the bicycles are securely fixed. In order to use the awning, extend it approximately 1 meter. To avoid too much weight being imposed on the camper, open the telescopic legs and continue opening the awning. The awning can remain open in the case of light rain but must be closed in the case of wind or heavy rain to avoid damage. All our motorhomes are equipped with a TV with integrated DVD and satellite systems. The TV can be easily moved and adjusted according to your needs. Once you stop to enable satellite reception, you must press the on-off button on the mobile SAT control panel to allow the antenna to get into position and start searching for a signal. You can also switch the antenna on or off using the app on your mobile phone. You will know that the decoder is connected to a satellite signal when the green light on the HB Hot Bird sign stops flashing. At this point, turn on the TV and, with the remote control, make sure the TV is set to the correct video output, satellite output. After that, you can enjoy your favorite program as if you were at home. To disconnect the antenna signal, press the on-off button for a few seconds. At this point, the antenna switches the signal off and will be positioned in the trip mode. You will know that the antenna is closed when the green light switches off. If you inadvertently take to the road without repositioning the antenna, you will be alerted by an acoustic signal, like this one, and the antenna automatically closes. If you want to use the DVD, you do not need to activate the antenna. Rather, simply select Video Output DVD with the remote control. The use of the air conditioner is simple. The power button to turn the air conditioner on will only operate after you have pressed the on-off button. To adjust the speed of the air emitted from the air conditioner, you have the buttons with arrows, while the temperature will be adjusted automatically. Through an easy-to-read monitor, you can constantly keep the climate inside your camper under control. To adjust the air direction, move the vents. Finally, to stop the cooling, press the on-off button. The air conditioner will no longer cool the environment, but will still be ready for the next time you use it. All our motorhomes are equipped with a rear-view camera that functions as a rear-view mirror when reverse gear is engaged. All our campers are cleaned and sanitized before and after each rental, because we care. We'd like to conclude this video with some considerations for your safety. When driving the camper, you need to adhere to the traffic regulations. This means using the seat belts and those for children using the appropriate seats. Please respect the maximum speed and the appropriate safety distance. On the motorway, we advise driving between 100 and 110 km per hour. While driving, it is forbidden to use the kitchen and open the windows. After every stop, we recommend that you check that all the windows are properly closed before departing. Normally, a camper of this type has a total height of around 3.5 meters. Please pay careful attention to traffic signs indicating the height of bridges, tunnels, and car parks. Inside the glove compartment, you will find the logbook and other insurance documents. The camper you will be provided with is insured for roadside assistance for the vehicle and passengers 24 hours a day in Italy and abroad. We wish you a pleasant holiday and a safe journey. Your holiday starts with Monzacamper.